Are you looking for the most flavoursome, moist, tender roast you've ever tasted? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now in today's video, we're going to be cooking a leg of lamb roast. It's one of those tender, flavoursome roast you've ever tasted. And we're only going to use 3 simple ingredients. So let's dive straight into it. Today we're going to set that Weber Q up for indirect heat. You can do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can even do it on the Weber Baby Q as we're doing today. Right, so before we start today's recipe, there's a few simple accessories you're going to need. Right, so first up, you're going to need a foil tin. This goes below our roast, and what we're going to do is put our vegetables in there, so you can put your potatoes in there, your carrot. See as I go in the video how I prepare mine. Today I'm just going to do potatoes. You'll get all their flavours from that roast enhanced through those vegetables, and you'll never cook your vegetables any other way again. Now the second thing you're going to need is a Weber rotisserie. Now I will put links down below of where to get one of these from, so whether you've got the Baby Q, the Family Q, or even a Weber kettle, you can buy a rotisserie for those, and these work superb on any meat you want to cook, and I'll find it's probably the best way to cook a roast on a Weber. Well, so preheating our Weber for around 10 minutes, let's jump in and start making this marinade. We're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and a tablespoon of olive oil, and just combine that marinade. Now with our lamb already fitted to the rotisserie, we're just going to season that with some salt and pepper. Just going to baste that with our marinade. Right, so we've got a full tray, and what we've done is peeled and chopped up our potatoes. We put the off-cut leg in with that as well, so we can get all that flavour mixing in. But this is going to sit below our lamb roast, so all the juices infuse into those potatoes. So we'll just drizzle those with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and a bit of rosemary. So our roast is on, we've turned it down to a medium heat. So it should keep that at around 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. I'll put on screen what that is in Fahrenheit, and we're going to leave that for around 90 minutes to 2 hours. We'll check it close to that 90-minute mark, and then as soon as it hits that perfect temperature, take it off and let it rest. Right, so our roast has come off, so we're going to let that rest for around 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll slice it up and give it a bit of a taste test. Now don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so I've enjoyed that quick, easy recipe, and as you can see, you can do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can do it on the Baby Q as I've done today. All you need is that Weber rotisserie and a beautiful lamb roast. You can use a leg of roast like I did. or you can use a lamb rolled joint. It's entirely up to you. But you can see it's really simple to cook that leg of lamb on that rotisserie, and it comes out superb. And also you get the flavours and mixed in with those veggies, whether you're using potatoes like I did, carrots, you can even do your broccoli and cauliflower in there. Now let me know in the comments down below if you try this recipe out. And for those of you struggling to clean your baby Q, check out this video next. And for those of you looking for the perfect pork crackle, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll catch you next one.